This is lecture 38. Let us continue to work on this application. The application is a news portal. Is based on the streaming framework. Okay, now we can start on the root. Not root. Root we finished the root in the previous class, so we can start from the child. Okay, this is the example of the streaming framework. We just follow this framework to program our system. Okay, we open this example. Okay, this streaming framework is here, right? So now we just finish this one. Okay. This information, right? This subscribe information is forwarded, should be forwarded from the pub sub server. Okay, what about this? This one, let me take a look. Whether this one cannot be reused. This one cannot be reused because we need to save. We have different. Let me say, this one is different. We have different child pair. Actually, I don't think the current code is so is simplified enough. Yeah, I think next time in the next classes where I will talk about the cluster, and they say that the code is become much better. Now you can see we just reuse a list code, limited code. However, if we can use the cluster API, then the code become more simple. Okay, now let us create this one. Create this, right? Actually, this code is not necessary for the streaming framework, because in the streaming framework, the interaction, the request response is sent between no request response, no broadcast request, no multicasting request within the streaming framework. So actually, this one is not necessary for this one, for this case. But because it doesn't matter. But I think because it's the framework, we just keep it here. But actually, in this case, it's not useful. But because this is a streaming framework, it's based on the multicasting framework. So we just put it here. And but actually, in the application, in the specific application, the IP address of the root is not useful. Actually, the message is can be reused. Okay. Copy this code here. Okay, you can see this one is we have different peer. This one should be news child peer, right? News child peer. Okay. News child peer. And the creator should be implement. Okay. Okay, now we can copy this code. We can finish this code, although it's not useful in this specific case. Okay, next, we need to process the message, the stream data that is unicast to the child. For this case, the data is the data sources. We have multiple data sources. For this case, just one. The stream data is limited for the streaming framework, right? So, however, because this is upper level application, I design a more complicated applications. So we have to process all the messages here, right? We have a couple of messages. The stream data should be is richer than this one. Okay, the first one is we can follow this one. Journalist notification, right? Journalist notification. So we need to create this, right? We can use the same name. Use the same name here. And then if you had no idea how to do that, open this code. This is the child side code. Child side. Okay, we need to copy this code. The notification different. We need to change the notification. Journalist post. Okay. Then we need to. Okay. Then what else? Okay, let us take a look at this. This one you can see the children, because they're maybe during the procedure when the data stream is unicast to the current local child, but the streaming registry have something new, so we need to reset the IP address of the children, of the subscribers, right? So we just copy this code and make some modification then. Okay, copy the code here. Okay, then this is the notification. This one should be news, right? News actually is a post, so post can be printed. Okay, next. This one is reused. We borrow this one. The code is same. The root master is the same. And but here that's different. Okay. topic, not topic for this case, the category. Category. Then, okay, that's easy, right? It should be easily understood. Okay, you can change the message display on the screen. Okay, then we need to create the creator of the thread. Okay, the creator. Okay, creator done. Then what we can do is to we can copy this code here, but they're different, right? That's different. Just but the name is same, but that belong to different package, so we just remove them. So it saves us some time, right? Okay, next we can open this one. Just close it. Oh, we still need to follow the code. Okay, we can also open another code, because all the code similar to each other. Is better for us to reuse some code, because the code structure is almost identical. Okay, this one. The comment. Then we just make some copy here. Okay, this one we can also open the child code. This is a child code. Okay, open this code. Comment notification. Okay, copy this code here. Almost the same, right? Almost the same, just replace. Okay, then make replacement here and post. Okay, post. Okay, it's finished. Save us some effort. We can make copy paste. Okay, no problem. It's really fine. Then we create a creator. Create a creator. Thread creator. Go back here. Okay, maybe we can use this one. Because the name is exactly the same, although belong to different package. We just remove that. Okay. Okay, now we can work on this one, the root journal list. Okay, copy this line. Okay, news. Okay. Then this thread. You must pay attention when you make a copy paste, right? Now we work on the child, but the name of the thread is the same as the one on the root, but the approach to process the thread is different. So when you make a copy paste, you must pay much attention, right? You need to be careful. This one is the same. The message is the same. But we have different approach to process it. Here, right? Okay, open this one. Okay, this is the micro blog. Okay, that's fine. Then we need to create a creator. Creator. And then we can make a copy. Okay, we can copy more code here. Okay, that's fine. Next. This thread, news feed. news feed. Okay. News feed. Okay. Oh, sorry. No, this is not correct. You can say I make a mistake here because the approach to process the data is different. Although the message and name are same. So we need to copy this code. This is the wrong code. We do now need to use this one. Okay. Make a copy here. That's a correct code because the multicast should be performed between the subscriber and the local child. Okay, next. So when you make a copy paste, you must pay much attention. Pay much attention to here. Okay, this is a news feed. Okay. Copy them here. Okay, news feed done. Then what else? This should be okay. This one, video piece. Video piece. Video piece. Oh, sorry. That's wrong. Video piece is this one. We now work on the thread, not a creator. Video piece. Okay, then we need to copy this code. Comment. Copy this code here. Copy this code here. Okay, that's fine. Use root. Work on the creator. Okay, copy all the code. We can copy all the code here. Just to change the arrow. because of the package visibility. Okay, change it. Okay, I think we finish all the application code, application message. So now what we can do is just copy all the code. Okay, and then put them here, paste them here. Okay, just remove those wrong import information. And then what else? Let me take a look at this one. This is the framework. This is a framework code which we created in the previous class. Okay, what about this? We need to use this one, shutdown. I don't think this one can be. Okay, we need to create this code. Shutdown. Shut down. Let me think. Yeah, okay. Copy this code. Okay, remove this one. This one is reused, right? Borrow from the previous class. We just change this one. Okay, that's fine, no problem. And we need to implement this creator. Implement this creator for this new child. Okay. Okay, what else? Actually, we can copy this code. Okay, remove this wrong import. Then this is the last one to process incoming message for the child. Okay, great. Then what we can do here, we copy this code because the name is same, right? Copy this code. Copy them here. And then we need to copy the code to process incoming upper level data, stream data. Okay, it should be fine. Okay. Remove this code. Okay, great. Next, we still have one initialization code. Shut down. Copy shutdown code here. Right? Then okay, we can copy this code. Time out. and this one, and then what else? Okay, the application data should be copied here. And then still some work. We need to process the code. Let me go back here. Right, copy them here. Then copy this code. The next, some application code should be copied. All right. Okay, I think we've almost finished the child. Almost finished the child. Let me check. Star. Okay, started, finished. What about this one? Okay, this one is finished. Peer. And what else? This one? Let me check. Okay, this one is done. Just finish that. And okay, I think the child is finished. It's easy, right? And the difference is just we need to forward the data. Let me check here. This is a stream. Okay, no problem. We can do that. Okay, let me check whether we need to persist this data piece. This one is a little bit different. Okay, I think we don't. It's fine. If you like, you can persist this piece of data, right? This is the video data. If you like, you can persist this data on the child side. We haven't do that because the data just saved in the memory and transmit over the network. The data is not persistent on the disk. If you want to do that, you can do that here. But I think another solution that we can persist the data on the let me think, on the subscriber. This is another approach. Okay, just leave it here. We can maybe this one a little bit different, right? Okay, then okay, next we can perform. We need to design the. I think we need to design the PubSub. This server is important. PubSub. This one, I think it's better for us to reuse all the code because we do not need to make any changes. Let me think whether we can change it, whether we can reuse it entirely. Maybe all the code can be reused. If so, we need to change the visibility. Let me check whether we can reuse the PubSub server. Okay, this one can be reused. And what about that? This one, add stream. Yes, I think we can reuse it. So to reuse it, we just need to Okay, we do not need to make any change. We just reuse it. We do not need to change the visibility. We just reuse it. We can run it. We can run such a system, right? So we just invoke this application, this process directly. So we do not need to. Actually, we do not need to re-implement the pub sub server. Now what we can do here is the publisher. I think publisher should be implemented. Publisher and the subscriber, right? Now we need to maybe this one, publisher. Publisher. We have I tell you five upper level applications. That means we have 5 type of publishers. So we can start from this one. The first one is a journalist, right? Close all the code. Let us take a look at how to implement the publisher. This one is the first we need to implement the journalist. Okay. Journalist. Okay, this is the main menu. Not main menu, the main method. Okay, just leave them, remove them temporarily. And what's the name? Yeah, the name is important because the name is used to generate the stream key. So we need to okay, let me think. Okay, maybe we can reuse some code, although we had different, only because of the journalist. Let us take a look at the message, whether we can reuse. We can simplify the publisher implementation. Okay, journalist. Just a post, right? Just a post. Microblog, just a post. That's the same, right? Them the same. News feed, yes. And microblog, okay. So here I think we can reuse all the code. We use a different name, right? Journalist, we do not use this actual name, just use the tab name. Journalist, microblog, and maybe we can reuse this one. Oh no, maybe we do not need to implement the publisher as well. Yes, I think the message is different, so we still need to do some additional effort. We can spend additional effort here. Publisher, the publisher different because some different message should be sent. We have 5 type of message, so publisher. Not all the code can be reused. We still need to implement the code to send different message, because this publisher, in this publisher only this messages can be sent, but in our case we have 5 different messages. So here, okay, copy them here. Then I get the IP address, add stream. Okay, no problem. For this case, publisher name. Okay, then we need to send different message. Let me think about that. There's a stream notification. Maybe this one. We change the. Maybe we can make change here because all the message are multicast, all the notification on the application level are multicast message. So we can change here. It must save some our effort. Okay, then the code should be easy, right? The client is simple. Now we just need to design a simple manual. Okay, publisher. In this case, we just input journalist, microblogger, even video publisher, commenter. Okay, so then we need to change here. Okay. We can display a menu. Okay, maybe we can do that in this way. Publisher. Let me think about that. Maybe we can print a simple menu here. To save up some time, because we have limited time, I do not want to spend much time on that. Okay, that matter. Okay, we just want to. Okay. Some constant should be defined here. Constant journalist. Commenter. This code has nothing to do with distributed system programming. It's okay because now we want to implement a system that can be executed. So I just even though the code is nothing to do with distributed system programming, I have to implement it. and microblogger. Okay. What else? Let me check. I forget. Sorry. News feeder. And then video. Just name it video. Video. Videoer. Okay. Then let's name it not prompt. Okay, then we can make a judgment here. Remember publisher name, right? I remember switch. The case should be able to use as string. I'm not sure for this Java version. Whether I think I remember some. Oh yeah, some version, some new version of Java can. You can, yeah, this version can be, this is Java 8, so this case, the case statements can be string, not just, in the old version, the case should be a integer. Okay, so it saves us some effort. Commenter. And microblog. And what else? Publisher. Newsfeeder. Publisher options. Video. Videoer. Okay, then let me think. For this case, the data. Okay, for this case we load. Let me check. Because the data is loaded from the disk. Okay, what's your topic? Load from the disk. So for this, for case, journalist, comment, newspaper, and microblogger just send some message data. So we can reuse this code. Okay, check. Let me check. The data is loaded from the text. From a text. Okay, so the number of times. Okay. So each time one piece of data will be generated. Get text. We design another method. to do that. Times. No. Now times. Now time. Okay, maybe times is fine. We just work on here. Okay, just put them here. Copy this one first. Okay, data is a string. Data is string, then this one is a list string. Text. Okay. Topic, I'm sorry. Topic. Okay, this should be the message. The message is different, right? The message is different. Message is different. Message different. Let me think how to handle that. Get message. Okay. Copy them here. Okay, let me, okay, we process that in this way. Okay, maybe this method is not necessary. Not necessary to do that. The data is often here. Okay, so we just use this one, publish. So this method is not necessary. We can use a message new journalist post notification. Okay, so what is a constructor looks like? Posts, just a posts. What about posts? Publisher category and the message. Publisher name. And what else? Category. The category in this case is called topic. And the message. Message is the data. Okay. Import. Done. Okay, great. This method is not necessary. We just threw the message, the exception to simplify the code, to make the code clean. Okay, then what else? The topic, not the topic. This one should be category. To make it consistent with what we have designed for the specific case. And category. Okay. So the message should be changed. Comment. microblog. And then news feed. News feed notification. News feed. Okay, the video. Now we need to design this one. The video a little bit difficult because we need to use the code. Let me check. Need to use this code. File manager. This one a little bit different. Piece data. You can see here. Now we need to transmit the video. Video is large, so we need to use this code. Use this API. Use this API to load the data piece by piece. So that's a little bit different. So maybe we can design another, because that's different, right? That's a different approach. So we need to use another. We design another publisher to process the video. Okay. So this piece of this type of message can be processed in a similar way, but for that, for the video, it's a little bit different. So we have to design another client, another publisher. Okay, so we can continue to do that in the next class, because we do not have time for this case, for this lecture. So just leave the code here. Okay, I think we almost finished this large project. Although the system is large, the application is complicated, but you can see during the procedure, you can see what we have processed, what we have done here. The code structure, the design pattern are different. This is one of the important features for grid-free programming. I have to emphasize this feature again, right? So although the system is complete, however, the coding procedure almost identical to what we have done for other system. Even the TNCS, the simplest system, the effort spent on such a simple system, the coding procedure almost the same. The coding effort almost the same, right? That's a very important advantage of grid-free programming. Okay, that's all for today, and see you next time. If any questions, just let me know. Thank you so much.